Welcome back. Today we want to discover the interval called perfect fourth. In order to have a perfect fourth, we want to have two pitches where the frequencies are 5 half steps apart. For example, A is our first pitch. We move up 5 half steps and land on the D. So A to D, ascending, perfect fourth. Let's have the same perfect fourth descending. Start on the A, move down 5 half steps, A to E, descending, perfect fourth. And that's it. Remember, a perfect fourth is an interval where two pitches are apart 5 half steps. Hope you enjoyed this lesson and I see you for the next one.